today. I was on my way to take care of something, and the CRV started to backfire. Not backfire, misfire, right? So it was doing it for a while already, like a week. But today it got a little worse. So 2 days ago I checked the spark plugs and they looked okay to me. I checked the wires look okay to me. So I was doing some research. So the video that I saw said that I need to take off the rotor cap, distributor cap, and something in the distributor cap on the inside that rotates might be loose. I'm not sure yet because I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, it's still on. So I'm gonna check that out right now because I did order a new one before I did the research, because I was going to do I am going to do spark plug wires too. So today I'm gonna, even if it's not the problem, I'm still gonna change it. Here's the new one. Sorry because it's a little dark. So let's see what we find under that cap. Well, one thing I am going to say is that this is pretty old. Let me show you real quick what I mean. So right there, see all that stuff? That's yeah, that's all like plastic that just crumble because of the heat. So yeah, I'm gonna take that. So now I think I'm gonna take this out so I can actually wait. Oh look, super loose. Yep, I think that was the problem. It's super loose. Look at this. I think we found the problem. Alright, so let me get that out now so I can replace this. So what I'm gonna show you right now is very weird. There's something missing here. So I cranked it a couple of times and I'm supposed to see a Phillips screw there, but guess what? There's no screw. We can just, alright, so luckily we found ourselves a screw. Oh, it's just hard to focus on, but fits. So I'm gonna throw the new cap on, the new other part on. Man, you can't do anything at night. But you know what this is. So yeah, that was the problem. Incredible. So I'm going to throw that on right now. Alright, so I got the back already. I got this installed. I make sure it's tight. You see the difference now? This thing don't move. So what I gotta do now is find my, yeah, there you go. So now let's put this cap, use the new one. Use the brand new one, and let's install it. Perfect. Alright, we got the cap on. Now we just gotta make sure we put all the wires in the right order. So I did not take them out of here, but you can see how bad this was. See how dirty it was? Yeah. Compared to the new one. Yep. So we just gotta make sure we put everything, all these wires in the right spot. So there's no misfires. Pull this one. Here. Or you can also look it up online. It gives you the right order. Remember, I'm still gonna replace this, but in the meantime, I want to see that. I think we all know that was a problem, but you never know, right? So just make sure that they are all tight. Alright, so let's crank it up. Take these out so I won't lose them. And let's go crank it. Yep, that was the problem. There's no backfire. It's perfectly fine. It's running perfectly. Idling perfect. Just in case, I'm gonna take it out to go around the block. And yeah, quick. So sometimes it's the spark plug. Sometimes it could be the wires, but in my case, it was the rotor. The distributor rotor was missing the screw in the back, and I replaced that. I had one laying around, and it fits perfectly fine. It turns on perfectly fine. I accelerated. It did not hesitate. It did not backfire. Misfire, sorry. So I think we fixed the problem. So if this helped you out, please give it a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I haven't posted in a while. Very busy lately. So just if you're watching these videos because you want to get down to the bottom of why your CRV is misfiring. So this is a B20B. It's not only CRVs, we have this motor, probably Integras also. It has the B18. So if you want to design like this, make sure you check your spark plugs, the wires, and the rotor. So I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.